This is a bloatware-free Windows 11 from Microsoft with the latest version 2.4H2. This Windows doesn't have pre-installed app like you get in Windows 11 Pro and other editions also, like you get here Clipchamp, Xbox and Microsoft Store. Many other apps you get pre-installed, right? But in this you will not see any single pre-installed bloatware app. So guys, Microsoft launched Windows 11 LTSC version 2.4H2 for everyone, and you can install it on any hardware. Like you have very low-end system and you doesn't meet Windows 11 requirement, you can install it on your system without any kind of bypassing anything. So before that, if your Windows is not activated or maybe you are looking for cheaper Windows key, you can visit this keysfan.com. They are offering legit Windows keys. So these are OEM keys, that's why it is cheaper. Currently they are running 50% off and you can use this JD50 coupon code. And they also have Microsoft Professional Office keys, and they also have bundle plan. So whichever you like, you can just buy now. After buying this product, you will get Windows or Office keys on your email. So what is Windows 11 LTSC? So Windows 11 LTSC long-term servicing channels. So basically this is for enterprises and businesses, healthcare, banking, manufacturing. So over the period of time they don't want some changes or new features in their system, then this Windows is for them. So what is the difference between normal Windows and LTSC? So basically in LTSC you will not get here pre-installed apps like Microsoft and other apps. So this is a streamlined optimized version for everyone. Another difference is like the updates you frequently receive in normal Windows, like 2-3 updates in a month. In Windows 11 LTSC you will not get here too many frequently updates. Windows 11 LTSC more focused on stability. You will not get here so many feature updates. You will get here feature updates after 2 or 3 years, right? And this LTSC supports 5 years, and if you have enterprise it will support for 10 years. If you have very low end system which have 1GB RAM, 2GB RAM and very low end processor, so this is the best solution for you. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can download and install it and how it is working on my system. So this is the official page here. You can go and download Windows 11 ISO for x64 and AMD 64 edition, and ISO is also available for ARM devices. So just download the ISO. So minimum system requirement, you can see 1 GHz, 2 core processor, 2GB RAM and 16GB storage devices. If you have SSD and HDD, UEFI or BIOS, all things are going to work, and TPM and secure bit is not required here. This is a great thing. So after downloading the ISO, just open Rufus and select your ISO and click on start. It will create a bootable USB of your Windows 11 LTSC. After creating the bootable USB, you need to just insert in your system and press the boot menu key. You will get here this kind of a screen. All things are same as we do in normal Windows. The only good thing is here you don't need Microsoft account. You can click on domain join instead and you can set up local account. Now we have successfully installed this Windows 11 LTSC. You can see in a start menu, do not get any pre-installed apps. Only Microsoft Edge is available. In taskbar, you can see already pinned Copilot. This is a progressive web app. You will not get any single third-party apps. So this is a very clean Windows which everyone wants. Okay, so let's see what are the resources uses over here. In CPU, you can see it is using normally like 122 processes. It can also be lower. So if you optimize it more, and RAM using like 1.8 GB. It totally depends upon my RAM, like I'm currently having 8 GB. If you have 4 GB or 2 GB, it will show you accordingly. And this doesn't take too much space in your C drive. In properties, you can see it is using 11 GB and it can be 9 to 10 GB also. So okay guys, this was the Windows 11 LTSC. Let me know your thoughts about this. You can also ask some questions if you have in your mind.